Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning a great way, the fastest way to learn coding with AI. So, how many ways we have to find to learn coding in a fastest way? This is the fastest trending, the growing where the technologies, learning objects, and work area, work functionality. So wherever you go, all are showing the fast. So how to learn coding in a fastest way? Yes, few points I would like to share you here. AI powered. As you know that generative AI tools are there, so many. The AI powered learning will help you to greatly to reach you a vast speed of learning coding. Truly, the generative AI tools ChatGPT, Google Bot, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, GitHub, with the help of GitHub Copilot, and many of LLM tools are there to make you master in coding very less time. So AI powered and AI powered content generation and AI powered automation to ensure to make prompting. The prompting will help you to how to start learning Python, how to start learning code like a Java, how to start learning maybe Python or Java in a fastest way. What are the key role and what are the important points to focus? Where you want to focus to start adding your coding skills and improving your problem solving skills, and how to achieve and reach the complex problems to be solved in your own way. So applying together this writing and practicing the skills in a practical way, highly essential to start learning any programming language which you feel comfortable, which you makes more and more you likes. At the same time, you have to consider and concentrate on which programming language is to be take you in the next level, like a growing. As you know that the present trending, it might be Python programming language, it might be Java and TypeScript, and like a JavaScript frameworks like Angular, React JS. Any one coding you may choose. Choosing and learning any one of the programming language will take you to the next level. And other programming language, if you are choosing one and you are learning one, and which the programming language most similar to the other programming languages that you have to identify. It's so easy to learn programming language with AI powered any one of AI tool to adapt, write the this way, making a prompting, asking a questions. Prompting is nothing but how you are smartly asking your questions to AI and getting an information and writing this all the things. So slowly you start with data types, if statements, and writing of for loops, the repeating of the statement of the line code, repeatedly execution, what you have to concentrate and learning. Then once the fundamentals are clear, you have to switch to advanced object-oriented programming techniques. How you want to reuse the coding techniques in an advanced way. So, learning advanced topics with the AI-powered enabled content creation and taking an examples, real-world examples, applying in your own computer system, understanding, analyzing, and rewriting in your own way. Then only you will learn coding successfully. All you have to focus, where you are implementing your own examples, take a copy of that code, check with these AI tools, whether this code is how the performance is giving, where the code is bug free or not, where the debugging techniques, I can say in a coding, debugging, where the bug is there possibly, how super easily you can identify the bugs in your code. So identify the comparison of how you are written your own code, how ChatGPT or generative AI is a suggesting a great way, like a professional way of coding, that you have to identify. I hope the automations, code generations, how you are going to generating your way, it's highly required to start learning the fastest way. How you are fast, generative will help you to give you the response according to your prompting. Then you have to take your own computer system to practice this code, implement your own small examples, adding together to build a real world project. This is a skill you need to grow in your next level. So start learning today. Start learning today for making you to master in coding which you love more. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.